In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to set up live edits in brackets text editor. Now, live preview or live edits has the benefit of enabling you to see the output of your code while you are still coding. Now, this can be done with HTML files, can also be done with PHP files. To do this, I'll be using the XAMPP web server. So to do this, I first of all start up my XAMPP, open up my XAMPP and start the Apache web server. Next, I open up the brackets editor. Okay, right now the next thing we do is to go to the file menu, click on open folder. Here we select the folder where our files will be stored. Because we're using the web server, it has to be in local hosts. Scroll down to XAMPP, scroll down to htdocs. Yes. Okay, the folder I'll be using for this demonstration is tutorial. I select the folder. I actually have two files here. One is index.html, the other is index.php. Now, to use the live preview option in HTML file, let me remove this. To use the live preview option in HTML file, I simply go to the right hand side of the editor. You can see the live preview Thunderbolt icon. You click on it once, it opens up in the default browser you have in your system. Now let me minimize the page to demonstrate this better. You can see the color of the Thunderbolt has changed, which means the live preview is enabled. Now, as we are coding, we'll be seeing the results, the outputs, right as we are typing. As you can see, as I'm typing hello world, as I'm typing, it's also showing the result here, the outputs. Yeah. Okay, this is for HTML files. And one other thing, you don't even need to save. Right as you're typing, it is showing the outputs. Now, to enable live preview in PHP files, I simply go to index.php. Now you can see I have to disconnect the live preview for the HTML first. If I click on the button on the live preview icon again, it brings up this pop-up message that says to launch preview with a server-side file, you need to specify a base URL for this project. What this simply means is for server-side programming, PHP is a server-side programming language. So to use live preview in server-side, you have to specify a base URL. We go to projects, to file menu, scroll down to project files, and what we are supposed to write here is the URL for the folder we are working on, which is localhost/tutorial. Click done. Now if we click on the live preview, it takes us to the page that we are currently in, which is index.php. As you can see, it says hello world, which is being displayed here. Now, one major difference between server-side programming on live preview and HTML programming is that in server-side programming, the live preview is not immediate. If I want to print out another statement, I can simply say echo, attach a line break, attach a break. This is awesome. Now, as you can see, it is not bringing up the outputs as I am typing. To make the output show on this page, I will have to go to File and click on Save. Now you can see the outputs. So the shortcut for doing this while you're programming is to use the Control S. So if we, to demonstrate this, let's print out another line. We say echo, attach a break, PHP programming is cool. I simply use the Control S to make it show. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and tell your friends about this.